Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. Happy New Year from all of us at Conicelli Toyota Service Center. We're starting 2025 off with incredible savings to keep your car running smoothly this winter. From routine maintenance to unexpected repairs, we're offering 15% off discount service repairs, up to $250. We're here to save you time and money. Keep your ride straight and true with $10 off alignment. Proper alignment helps you save gas and prolongs the life of your tires. Peace of mind is priceless. That's why we're offering $100 off Warranty Solutions contract to keep your car protected all year long. Winter roads can be tough, so upgrade your safety with $100 off on 4 eligible tires during Toyota's winter tire event. Don't wait. Take advantage of these service specials and drive into 2025 with confidence. Simply schedule your appointment today by calling 610-690-6000 or online at conicelliservice.com. Let's make 2025 your smoothest ride yet. Conicelli Toyota Service Center, a nice place to do business.